Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get online cloud storage 1 terabyte for free. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to Google and type NitroFlare. Once you type that, I'm going to have these searches. Just click on the first one and then just wait for it to load. Now this is absolutely free, guys. This is how the website looks like. Okay, so this is a fast cloud storage. All right, so this is how the website. When you scroll down, let's close this one. When you scroll down, you're going to see sign up, and that is where I want you to click for you to be able to put in your credentials and then start. This is how the page looks like. Okay, now these are the tab that you have premium and stuff, but we are not going to buy it. What we want is we want to get this for free. 1 terabyte, guys, that's a lot. All right, so what you're going to do is I want you to type in your email here, or your username here, and then I want you to type your email under as well, and then input your password over here. Just repeat your password underneath it, and then just click on that one, and that is all. Basically, that is everything. Okay, so you click on agree, and guys, don't go real quick. Let me show you one thing. So what it's going to do is immediately you sign up, you're going to be directed to this page. Okay, but here's the thing: you're having 500 megabyte, 500 gig. All right, 500 gig, and that is good. That in itself is good. 500 gig is a lot, but we want to get 1 terabyte. So click on the button down there, and then you can see it now changes to 1 terabyte. And so with that, you can easily go and click on upload and upload everything that you want to do. Just upload it there. Okay, so